Welcome back to Activity Kids. Today I'm going to be telling you about squares and square roots. What is a square? This is not a square. This is the shape square. Now, what is a square? A square is a number times by the same number. In other words, a square is a number times by itself. Let's move on to some questions. Question: 9 squared. Step 1. Times the number by itself. Okay, times 9 by itself. That is 81. Then it says, have fun because you answered the question correctly. Okay, so let's write our answer. No, it's 81, not 91. Because 9 times 9 is 81. You should watch my video on the 9 times table if you don't know it. Okay, question. 6 squared times the number by itself. It's 6 times 6. That is 36. Have fun because you answered the question. Question number 2. No. Question. 2 squared. That's 4, I know that. In the comments, tell me if you know 7 squared. Let's see who's smart. Okay, now we have what is a square root. This is not a square root, a square with random roots coming out of it. No. What is a square root? Number 1. This is the definition of a square root. A number which produces a specified quantity when multiplied by itself. For example, 7 is a square root of 49. Okay, let's move on to some questions. Square root of 25. Let's see. Look at which times table it belongs to. Which is the smallest? That will be your answer. Okay, so look at the timetable which it belongs to. This number belongs to the 5 times table, which is the smallest. So the smallest one that you would find. And then we have, that will be your answer. So our answer is 5. Square root of 36. Okay, let's look at the steps. Look at what times table it belongs to. Which is the smallest? That will be your answer. Step 2. Have fun because you answered that question correctly. So, what table does 36 belong to? That belongs to, which is the smallest, 36. That's the 3 times table, but this time, as we saw the definition, this accordingly should be 6. Cause 6 times 6 is 36. let's move on to another question. So, step 1. Look at which times table it belongs to. Which is the smallest? That will be our answer. I know my square roots and I memorized them, so I know this answer. 9. Because 9 times 9 is 81. Tell me in the comments if you know what the square root of 4 is. Thank you for watching.